This is the best okra soup you can get. This is the best okra soup, I tell you. I tell you, look at this. Look at this yummy, delicious okra soup that I made for you. Welcome back to my channel, beautiful people. It's me, Grey Glamour. Today, I am going to show you how to make Nigerian okra soup. Let's get right into the kitchen. Before we do that, please like, subscribe to my channel to encourage me. I will leave in the description box in the ingredients, the names of the ingredients that I am using, that I will use to make this okra soup. Okay, let's go. First, we will cook the cow leg. The cow leg is not, it doesn't cook easily. So you must have to cook it for a long time for it to cook very well, for it to be tender. I will advise, if you have pressure pots, that you should use that to cook the cow leg. I'll just season it a little bit, add nut cube and salt, add water and cook it. Remember that the water that I am using to cook this cow leg is the same water that I'll use to cook the soup at the end. So you just add little water, not too much, because this soup is just for licking and licking finger. Next, I will just steam the fish, the tuna fish. I like to steam the tuna fish just with a little salt and then fry it. I don't particularly like to add tuna fish, raw tuna fish, into the okra soup. I like to fry it so that it will be yummy on the inside as well. Next, I am going to add the rabbit meat into the pot, into the cow leg pot. Yes, it is rabbit meat that I'm using to cook today. I just decided to form a husbandry business inside my soup pot and see how it goes. And I can assure you that it came out yum. It came out very, very, very tasteful. Rabbit meat is very highly nutritious, and I got it fresh from the hunters. Yes, I got it from the hunters, fresh from the hunters. And I decided to use it to cook this okra soup. Okay, when the meat is cooked, you now add the palm oil. Add the palm oil and then add crayfish with the pepper. You already know that I love to pound my crayfish and pepper. I love to do it, so please bear with me, yeah? If you already have your crayfish grinded or pepper grinded, wonderful. You add it at this stage, add crayfish and pepper, then add the UZIZA powder. Add the bouillon cube and then turn everything together and allow to cook for just like 2 minutes, not more than 2 minutes. Then the next step will be to add the fish, the steamed and fried fish. I'll just add it right now. As I add the fish, I will add the okra. Remember that okra is a vegetable, so it doesn't need much cooking. You just add the okra immediately and add the spinach. These are vegetables, so they come last. You must have to add those things lastly. Immediately you add the okra, the spinach, you turn very well, taste for salt, and your okra soup is ready to be enjoyed in any way you like. Like I said earlier, this soup is just for licking, you know. You lick and lick and lick your finger and lick your mouth and enjoy the taste of okra without any hindrance. Can you see the communion, the agreement that these people that have reached inside my soup pots, the husbandry business that I started, the cow and the rabbit and the fish, they are really enjoying their union. So our okra is ready to be served, to be enjoyed. Thank you so much for sticking to the end of the video. Thank you for the likes, for the shares, for the comments, and for subscribing. If you have not, please do so to encourage me. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And don't forget to stay hydrated. Till I see you in my next video. Enjoy the okra. Bye. Haters playing all day, talking out of turn. Now my this year, I no complain Ludo. I never say sorry, I never say no. I know you smell it, you know I'm the next big shit. If you hate me, come make a dig you on 6 feet. Fucking it at me. If you take lights, I go use lamp. Pour me water if I no wake up. One more use laugh. Anti-fake niggas, anti-smellos. Haters, they can hate, but they can never come close. I've been blessed with every lesson that I learned. My storm coming now, bring that rain to an end. And I've been killing all the shows. Haters to the top, but they never reach my toes. My niggas still around, they know how the story goes. Papa God, big